Hey guys, what's going on? We got a perfect setup for a perfect short. It is never a bullish thing when markets melt up the day before the CPI report. Okay, so for 2 days, the market's been trying to make sense out of the Powell speeches. Why would they do two speeches back to back? So they can melt the market higher right before it collapses, guys. These entries on NASDAQ are absolutely magnificent. 20,829. We just shorted it right there in our alert group. If you're trading with the coach, guys, we're taking advantage of these entries on S&P 500. Shorting the futures at 56.60. Guys, Apple sets all-time highs. We're shorting that, guys. Look, it's very simple. I'm going to show you a couple of charts to where you can understand that, yes, some overall indexes are going high, but yet the market is breaking down in a way that we have not seen in over 443 days. So for the last 2 years, what are they telling you on the news? The consumer is strong. That is the best thing about the economy. The consumer. Buy retail stocks, buy retail stocks. And if you've been paying close attention to our videos here at 30 Market Moves, we've been telling you exactly the opposite. The consumer is weak, okay? There's major problems with the economy. They're masquerading it with a bunch of fake numbers, okay? So this is when the market meets the reality, okay? When the chickens come home to roost, okay? H-E-L-E, okay? And this is just a representation of what's really happening, okay? The consumer is weak as hell. Look, we're going for this crazy bearish pattern, but things don't collapse until the numbers cannot be masqueraded anymore. So take a look at this wild drop. I mean, the stock literally almost gets slashed in half. And this is a retail stock. So today, another report, all-time favorite, Decker Outdoor, okay? Take a look at this. It's not a coincidence that all retail stocks are tumbling, guys. We've been warning you about this since the beginning of the year, that retail is not going to be sustainable, that some of these sales numbers, there's a lot of these companies that are going to be filing for bankruptcy, like Helen of Troy, guys, H-E-L-E, that stock is heading down. I mean, you think 63 is low. It's heading down to $10. Just like we told you some of the other retail stocks, that we've nailed when they were trading at the $100. They're now at like $5, $10, and still, even some of the strongest stocks, that all-time favorites on Wall Street, like Lululemon, guys, these are some easy shorts, okay? Not so long ago, when it was pumping around here, people were like, yeah, it's going to go, back to, 500, 600, 700, buy. Hey, Lulu is going to 1,000. Total bullshit. Exactly the opposite is happening. This is a clear representation. There's so many parts of the market that are breaking. So today, yesterday, over the last couple of days, you're witnessing major reversals in key stocks like Microsoft, right? People can't even imagine this thing going low, and yet yesterday a pretty sizable drop of about $6-7, okay? Nobody could see this thing go down, but yet exactly the opposite is about to take place. Apple hitting all-time highs, guys, but guys, this is going to be one of the most magnificent bear reversals, I mean, the market has seen in a long time. I've covered the volume scenarios with you in yesterday's video, and everything still stands the same. As a matter of fact, today when Apple hits all-time highs, guess what happens to the volume? It's doing so on the lowest volume officially over the course of the last 3 weeks. Nobody is buying this level, but yet for just another day, for maybe just another few hours, the stocks are going to be able to pull off this move higher. But then it's sayonara, guys. This shit is going to drop in such a lightning fast way like nobody can imagine right now. So what do we have going on? Well, we got a couple of economic reports that are coming down. I don't think Powell would be so conservative in his speech about the possibility of lowering rates unless he already knew what's going to be in the reports. So point number one, the stocks are melting up into those CPI and inflation-related reports over the next 2 days. We also have major banks such as, JP Morgan and so on. They're going to be reporting earnings. And I'm telling you, the charts of banks are not looking good. There is some selling right here at the top. I will show you the charts of a few banks so you can see the picture a little bit better. So Goldman Sachs, okay, this one's been recently tanking. major reversal yesterday from the highs to the lows, and now we're pumping it back up a little bit, but this is not a healthy sign. As you can see, look at the volume today. They're trying to pump it on minuscule volume. This is not a recipe for success for Goldman Sachs. Okay, everything we're looking at, it is at the very, very top. And guys, if we switch it, I think it's going to be easier for you to see what's really happening on these candles. Let's switch it to the candle volume. It's going to be a little bit more visible. So as you can see, tiny volume on anything we look at. Let's take a closer look. Wells Fargo. Who would be selling Wells Fargo, right? 3 days in a row, and a bear reversal candle and a bear reversal candle. A lot of, let me rewind this so you can see the JP Morgan on a shorter time frame, guys. Okay, this is not a bullish setup for JP Morgan. Citigroup, everybody says, well, this stock cannot do no wrong. Okay, but yet the divergence on the volume is definitely here. It's going to be very difficult for the banking stocks to continue the rally. So we got technology stocks showing sign of weakness and reversal. We've got retail stocks are going absolutely to hell. And Friday, we can have the banking sector joining the reversal. So if retail, tech, and banking stocks are going lower at the same moment, okay, this market is going to begin panicking and the indexes are going to take a major hit. So guys, we've got 3 trades that can go anywhere from 50 to 100x. Don't miss it. Sign up to trade with the 13 Market Moves coach at 13mmtv.com or 13marketmoves.com. Do it lightning fast. And guys, what a trade on gold. Gold futures, guys. Let's bring gold futures chart for just a moment. Okay, everybody's highly bullish on gold. But guys, there's some major moves we've caught today when gold, this actually is data up till yesterday, but today gold pumped. We shorted it at the top. The trade goes instantly 13x. There's some crazy wild trades. Gold is going to drop with the rest of the market. Bitcoin cannot catch a break, right? It pumps to a level which we recommended as a highly shortable area. Today, despite of the market moving higher overall, Bitcoin cannot catch a break at a key level under the 200-day moving average line. Guys, this is not a bullish setup by no means. Okay, we pointed out that gold is going to repeat what Bitcoin is going to do. As a matter of fact, if you take a closer look when, let's say, one of these days right here, gold literally tanks within 30 minutes after Bitcoin drops. So officially bearish on, look, it wouldn't be a shocker. Let's go back to the gold chart. I mean, this is how cool this trade could be between now and Friday or between now and Monday. I mean, and again, you can't see this. Gold is trading right now at about 23.95, and literally it could drop all the way down to 310, 2310, 2320 area. So there's a potentially $80, $90 move in gold to the downside here. Weakness in oil. Oil, guys, we are no longer bullish on oil here. We've been actually slightly bearish. We didn't put any huge positions, but we've caught some small size in oil over the last few days to the downside. But I think the big break could come if oil breaks this level of 79.30 right here, guys. I mean, before you know, it could be at 70. Not 70, I wouldn't be shorting it there, guys, but there's some momentum. There's some momentum, as you can see, those 3 red candles. Why would they coincide? 3 red candles on Wells Fargo and 3 red candles on oil. What do they have to do together? Well, I'm telling you, the one thing that 3 red candles back to back on oil have to do with the Wells Fargo. Let's bring that back. Wells Fargo chart, back to back 3 red candles. What is that? What do they have in common? This, okay, HELE. Okay, so put the dominoes together, HELE, a drop from this to this, okay, represents weak consumer. Weak consumer spells lower oil prices, okay, and considering that officially they're trying to do something as far as stopping the war in Ukraine, Guys, this could be a definite catalyst for both gold and oil to go lower. So don't take that out of the equation as a part of your trading strategy, guys. There's so many trades out here that are absolutely killer, but I'm not going to reveal to you the 100x trade that we've been just... I mean, guys, there is a trade out there that absolutely blow your mind. So give us a call here at 13 Market Moves. Don't miss those beautiful market conditions. Again, let's take a look at where S&P 500 is right now. Absolutely stupid. Absolutely stupid. Imagine all this could be reversed in such a lightning fast fashion over the course of the next 72 hours, guys. This is perfect, beautiful market conditions. I mean, you gotta short this. I mean, this is as beautiful of a short as we have seen in a long freaking time, right? So indexes can do no wrong while the structure of the market is doing this, okay? So the market is about to do this. And oftentimes, guys, when we talk about Bitcoin, okay, Bitcoin is a leading indicator to what technology stocks could be doing next. So the red candles on Bitcoin, they coincide with the red candles on Wells Fargo. They coincide with the red candles on oil. Okay, we're telling you this market, there's so many sectors of the market that are breaking the fuck lower. While yet there's such a crazy, I mean, this is what you call an awesome fucking divergence. Okay, let's break, I mean, this is something to get excited about, right? So let's go back and bring up, like, let's go look at a 6-month chart. Okay, boom. This is where the market is while sectors of the market are breaking the fuck down. Yesterday, I've shown you what ticker NOW, like it's a darling. Like this darling, what do you see? 3 red fucking candles, okay, back to back. Guys, and this drop is going to continue, okay? No longer, look, this is an all-time star favorite of institutional investors, yet it is not participating in a rally. They're selling it. Look at the 3 red bars right here. Look at a bearish crossover right here, guys. Okay, a lot of stocks are going to be going through the same thing. SMCI, guys, I mean, this is a tornado pattern, guys, with crazy volume stuff right here developing. The next thing you're going to know, there's going to be a volume bar like this corresponding to a red candle like this, and the highest probability of that happening is going to be tomorrow and Friday and Monday. You can see 3 red consecutive candles on SMCI. We're talking about a potential drop of close to $125 to $175 lower here. Guys, and this setup is absolutely magnificent, okay? We can take stock after stock after stock that are yet to make a colossal drop like AVGO. Guys, there's so many beautiful trades out there right now. It is absolutely like Alta. Alta hasn't even dropped yet. Look, it's a beautiful pattern, but Helen of Troy would be a beautiful predecessor to an Alta drop. So the next move in Alta could be resembling the move right here. Guys, there's so many stocks. I can't cover them exactly. I mean, it's absolutely impossible to cover them in a quick little video like this. But I'm telling you, you're about to see some crazy, wild shit that you have not seen the market do in over 441 fucking days, okay? So let's review last NASDAQ chart, guys. It is at the fucking top, 18,580. Beautiful setup. So basically, so many sectors of the market are breaking down, but yet the indexes have not broken down yet. And they're about to. And the options on them are so stupidly underpriced on puts. That's how you can put some trades like you've never dreamed of in your lifetime. So visit 13mmtv.com right now, 13 Market Moves. Give us a call immediately. Set up to trade with a coach today. Don't miss those beautiful market conditions. Let's roll.